In this slide, we go over the concept of thin clients and why they are a game changer in modern automation environments. So what exactly is a thin client? Imagine an operation terminal that relies on a central server to do the heavy lifting for processing and storage. Unlike a thick client, which is a fully equipped PC with robust hardware, local applications, and significant processing power, a thin client is designed to be minimalistic. Thick clients run most applications locally and need substantial resources, making them powerful but costly and complex to maintain. In contrast, thin clients offload almost all computing tasks to a server, providing a streamlined, efficient, and cost-effective alternative. Automation product vendors offer thin clients either standalone as a low-end box PC with DisplayPort or with an integrated screens which comes in various sizes, typically from 7 to 22 inches. Now let's explore the key features that make thin clients stand out. Thin clients are built with simplicity in mind. They typically have basic hardware, just enough CPU, memory, and storage to connect to a server and display content. This lean design reduces power consumption, lowers hardware costs, and minimizes the need for upgrades, making them ideal for large-scale deployments like SCADA and large factories. Unlike thick clients, thin clients don't store or run applications locally. Instead, all HMI software resides on a central server. This means minimal local software installation or updates, simplifying IT management and enhancing security by reducing vulnerabilities on individual devices. Thin clients shine in their ability to provide seamless remote access to centralized resources. Users and operators can log in from anywhere and access their applications and data hosted on the server. This is perfect for virtual desktop infrastructure or VDI setups, enabling flexibility, scalability, and secure access to critical systems. With the rising adoption of cloud-based services and IT/OT convergence, many companies are focusing on strategies toward cloud computing, which is increasing the usage of thin client HMI systems in industrial environments. Having explored what thin clients are, now let's weigh their advantages and challenges to understand their fit for your application. Thin clients bring compelling benefits, but they also come with some trade-offs. Let's break it down. Thin clients are a budget-friendly solution. Their minimal hardware requirements means lower upfront cost compared to traditional PCs or thick clients. They also consume less power and require fewer upgrades, reducing long-term expenses. For businesses scaling to hundreds or thousands of workstations, think call centers or schools, this cost efficiency can lead to significant savings. Deploying thin clients is a breeze. Since they rely on centralized servers for applications and data, there is no need to install software or configure each device individually. IT teams can set up dozens of thin clients in hours by simply connecting them to the network and pointing them to the server. This streamlined process minimizes downtime and accelerates rollouts. Now let's look at some drawbacks. Thin clients are heavily reliant on a central server. If the server goes down due to maintenance, outages, or network issues, users lose access to their applications and data. This single point of failure can disrupt operations, especially in environments where constant uptime is critical, like hospitals or factory floors. Thin clients aren't designed for heavy lifting. Because they depend on server-side processing, they are less suited for resource-intensive tasks like complex simulations. Users needing high-performance applications or offline capabilities may find thin clients restrictive compared to the versatility of thick clients. In short, thin clients offer cost-saving and deployment simplicity, making them ideal for standardized server-based environments. However, their reliance on servers and functional limitations mean they are not a one-size-fits-all solution.